welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina, and today we're going to be reviewing this complete makeup remit set. Now, I saw this set on my Barbie stuff, and I had to check it out for myself and show you guys what exactly is in here if you guys haven't seen that video. And if you guys are interested in makeup miniatures for your dolls or for your miniature collection, just keep on watching. Remit set is the complete makeup set, so that means no duplicates. If you guys are not familiar with Remit, they're like a Japanese seller that sells miniatures of different type of foods and makeup and pharmacy stuff and things. Everything in miniature that they can make, they make. They even have like a bar one that is pretty cool that I might check out next. That's pretty cool. That has little drinks in miniature, and it does come with little inserts right here where you can make things, but my scale is 1/6 scale, so we're not going to get into that. We're just going to get into the actual miniatures that come with the set. So let's go ahead and get it open. First open it, you get more of the build for the little background. I don't know what scale it is. If you guys know, drop it in the comments and I will link it, the scale for the little diorama that they give with the remit. If you know it, just go ahead and drop it in the comments and I'll pin you. So this comes with 8 boxes, and all of these are the complete set. So we're just going to start with this box right here and open it up and see what we get. And we're just going to go all the way down throughout all the boxes. So let's go ahead and open some boxes. So this is box 1, so we're going to go ahead and get it open. And when you open it up, you see the little miniatures right here. So we're starting off, which looks like the mirror. Let's see what the card says, because it comes with a little card telling you what did you get. So this is the lip makeup kit. So this comes with a tiny mirror that has the little reflector that you can peel and stick to the mirror. Let me line it up. Okay. And it has like a little mirror gloss paper, which is actually pretty good. You could pretty much see through it. And then it also comes with a cleansing wipe that also comes with a little miniature wipe that goes inside to make it look like your doll is pulling out a makeup cleaner. 2 shades of lipsticks right here that also comes with a top that you can go ahead and put on top. There it looks closed, and that's how it looks open. It comes with a blue lip gloss with a lid and a red lip gloss with a lid as well. That is it for the lipstick set for the remit. Next we have the eye makeup set, and this one comes with a gold makeup organizer. It also comes with this little tiny mascara that you probably can read up close. I really can't read it too much. And then you can open it like that with this eyeshadow palette, which I think is super cute because outside of dolls, I do love makeup. And then it also comes with this little applicator to apply the eyeshadow, and it does open up. And you can go ahead and put the applicator inside there, and I think that is totally cute. And I really love that. I think that's super adorable. This cute liquid eyeliner that's super cute that comes with a top that you can go ahead and put it through. Is beauty routine, and in this box a beauty steamer, which is very cute and well detailed. And we also get a face mask. This will not fit your dolls, but this is cute to have as room clutter if you guys have like a little vanity for your doll. We have this body scrub that is so cute. This is actually one of my favorites when I saw the video. It also comes with this cute scooper that you can actually put inside. Hair care, which is super cute and exciting for me, and I love this little serum it comes with right here. So let's get a closer look at hair care. This headband, it doesn't fit our 1/6 scale dolls, but it'll be a cute background for a dollhouse. Blow dryer that you can actually twist out, like I twist it out too hard, so you can twist it out and it's like a clear little piece, just like in real life. I find the details so amazing in this remit kit. And then I love the little handle here. It's so realistic. Damage oil, it's like a damaged little treatment oil that's super cute. Brush, which I think is perfect for the dollhouse, perfect for my doll. Even though my doll has locks, you know, we still have brushes and we still have dolls with long hair, so I will use this in eventual photo shoots with dolls with long hair. A roller that it came ready to go, which is the 6 box that comes with this makeup set. And it comes with this stool right here, which is too short for 1/6 scale, but it will make a wonderful footrest for your doll. Handheld mirror, and of course it came with the same kind of mirror reflection as the first mirror. We're gonna go ahead and place that on there. Trying to place it perfect. All right, so we got it on there, and it's a pretty good mirror and I like it. Marble jewelry tray, which I think is super cute and I love it a lot. And then to put inside the tray, we have tiny little pearl with gold detail earring, really cute watch that I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to cut this in the back to fit my Barbie, because when I look at the hole, it looks like it could go on my Barbie. I want to show you that I did cut it open and I squeezed it on my doll's wrist, and when you squeeze it, it does go into itself, so it does fit the doll pretty good and I like it. It's not too big in my opinion, and I really like how it fits the doll's wrist. That came with this perfume right here, and I can't find it at the moment because it flew out of my lap. So we're gonna show it at the end if we do find it. And also it has a cutout for a box for the perfume right here on the insert. And I'm gonna show the rest of the inserts at the end of the video so you guys can see that. So yeah, that's what comes with the ready to go kit. So let's move on to the next one. Next box is called Base Makeup, and these are the things that are in it. So let's get a closer look at it. Comes what looks like a foundation, this little compact that opens up, and it looks like little shades of light powder, and that you use in makeup. And then it comes with this little sponge, and then you could close it up, and I love the lid. It matches like the mirror that we have here, and I think that's so cute how it matches. Yeah, I do need to put the mirror in here, which comes the same as the other mirror. It's a little reflective paper. So this is the little compact with the mirror in it, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the pad, and the pad has a little like holder. There's like a thing you put your hand into to get the powder. That's so cute. This one comes with a drawer that we can add to our little makeup thing we have down here. I'm gonna try to pick it up very carefully, and then you can stack it on top of each other like that, so you can put it on the dresser. This is gonna be so cute on my little Barbie vanity that I reviewed for you guys. If you haven't seen that video, I have it in my channel, and you guys should really check it out. It's pretty cool. It's in my Dollhouse Finds video. So next box that we have is called skincare, and I'm already really excited because my favorite part is this table right here. So let's get into it. Table, and it has opening drawers. This is amazing. So I can go ahead and put some of these miniatures inside of this drawer, which is great. I love this so much. So this is like a serum for the face. It definitely looks like a moisturizer. Well, it looks like my moisturizer that I use, so I'm guessing it's a moisturizer. And it's so cute. And then it has a little clear lid that you can put on top. It comes with this little container with little wipes, because usually, like for me with my toner, I use these little wipes to put the toner on my face and wipe my face after I wash it. And it also has like a little cute design on the edges, like little ridges. And I think it's so cute how they have like an individual look, and then they actually have one you could take out. And then it comes with this cool top that you could put on top, and then your dolls have their own face pads. So that's really neat, and I love that because it's something I have, and then I can have it in miniature. And then the last thing that this comes with is flower and vase, which I think is too adorable, and I love this. So cute for the dollhouse. And look at the roses, look at the details. Oh, so cute. Okay, so let's move on to the next and final remit box. This is the 8th box that I'm opening, and this one is cosmetics. And oh, look at that bag. Isn't that cute? Let's get into it. Bag, and if you can see closely, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's like a little water print, and it says beauty cannot be built in a day. I think that's so cute, and I love the details of that bag. It's so cute. Cute little slogan. It says the same thing on the other side. I didn't know that, so this is something new for me to find out. And yes, I'm gonna be putting my cosmetics in here that I'm getting from this set because I don't want to lose it. So I'm gonna put this to the side right here as I put each item in there. So in this one, it comes with pearlescent beads, cosmetic beads, and it comes in this cute container with a lid. Okay, and this is, I guess, their take on Miss Dior. It says Miss Puck, and this is a miniature perfume, and the lid actually opens and it has a little bow, kind of like Miss Dior. I guess it's like their take on Miss Dior, but it's called Miss Puff. Guys, so this is how the box looks, and you could just go ahead and slip the perfume right into the box. It comes with this candle right here that says Spice Lavender. I seen a candle like this in Sephora. I think it's super cute and I love it. I think if I could find a picture of it, I'll put it in the corner of the screen, but I love that they have this in miniature. These two nail polishes, when I saw this on my Craigslist, I was like, oh my goodness, miniature nail polish. And it's not only just miniature nail polish, but when you open it up, it has little nail polish that you can, their dogs can polish their nails. I'm like, this is too really cute. Like, I love this. This is very bougie doll life certified, okay? And then we have, guys, I did find the perfume. I probably put in the note when I went by this box right here that had the perfume. So this is the perfume that I had from the Ready to Go. This is this perfume right here, and it also comes with a box in the back that you can cut out that has the box of perfume on the inside that you can put it in. And I think that's super neat and realistic. Now let's go over the other inserts really quick. So this insert right here has, this one is the skincare, and the cutouts are like a little postcard, and it's really cute. Then the base makeup comes with a cutout of a box, and then for the next one that we have, which is the hair care, it has a little wall art, and then it has a happy birthday invitation and a little business card. That's really cute. And then this insert, which is the beauty routine, it comes with a little magazine that shows like the stuff that comes with it. And then it also has this right here, which I'm guessing is like some tights for your doll that you can build together and have it in the dollhouse in the back. And this shows how the box looks in the corner. And then the next one, which is the eye makeup, it has a cutout of a magazine, and then it also has like it looks like a perfume type of strip back of the magazine, which is really nice. I'm definitely going to be cutting that out. And then this one is the lip makeup, and the printable that comes with this is some wall art, and it's super cute. So that's it for the Ment Makeup, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already do, at Bougie Doll Life, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.